right, now we're on subtraction 1 through 18 fill in. And again, this is a template whereby when you subtract two numbers or one number from another number, as long as it falls within the range of 20, if you will, this is what a second grader should be able to know or should know relatively quickly. 2 to 3 seconds, should be able to answer relatively quickly. So I'm going to fill in 16 here. Use another marker. So 16 here minus 5. Okay? Now, again, as you're practicing with your child, you can have them use the chips. You could count out 16. The idea is to know that we are taking away. So we have this number here, and then we must take away from it. So let's count out 16. You can have them even count by twos, because in second grade, a child should be skip counting as well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So now that I have 16 chips, double check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Let's take 5 from there, because 16 minus 5 equals whatever is left. You want your child to understand that when you're subtracting, you're taking away. 16 minus 5, you could even have them say 16 take away 5, 16 subtract 5. They need to know that minus, take away, subtract are all the same. Using the language is important. So let's take away 5, removing 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do I have left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is my answer, 11. The student should write the answer there. Okay, you fill in the numbers here, and the student writes the answer here. The student also used the chips to model the problem. Now, once they get past this, it's okay. We don't even have to use this template much any longer. But again, the idea is to show that you are removing or subtracting this second number here from this number. So 16 minus 5. What is left? 11. Okay? Making math count.